Hi, Smart Chinese Learner. Today we are going to
share with you how to make dumplings. Okay, let's go.
And what you need to do is also cut.
Yeah, because little bit big.
So that you can do it as finer as possible. So that when you're going to eat, it's going to be as smooth.
Like this is a little bit big. Well, destroy this 是什么?
The wrapper.
The wrapper. Will destroy the wrapper. So that's why, yeah, that's why I need to cut.
This is a closer look on how you can wrap the dumpling. It's as easy as that.
Because the sound is a little bit big.
你可以考难是看，这个是。
对，我买这个。
So this is how you do it. Just cut.
Yeah, this I bought the dumpling wraps, so we don't need make it.
Show them how it looks like. So there's a pre-made dumpling wrappers. I don't know from where you are, which country you are, whether you can find this anywhere convenient. But if you want to know how to create this from scratch, let us know in the comments, because we can find a way also to show you how to make it. Let's have a closer look. It's a close-up look here. See how tight it is. Johanna has wrapped the dumpling. Yeah, see how perfect it is.
这个一会儿全部弄满了才那个，你先别拍。好了，这个可以了。
You see how she's enjoying? It's just like making it, and you're also enjoying it at the same time.
When I feel stressful, basically I like to cook, and because can make me feel peaceful and can let me think clearly.
And you can focus.
And I can focus
on what is important, what you want to achieve. Okay, let's go back to. Woohoo! Oh, look at that.
You know, in China before, my grandmother told me if a woman can make the dumpling beautiful, then that means her future husband is handsome.
So is that true?
你觉得? So you think I can make it beautiful, ma? That's why I think my husband is handsome.
You are beautiful. You're making it beautiful. So I don't know if I am handsome, but
yeah,
I am handsome. But
in my eyes, my heart, my head, you are. Yeah. How do you think? How do you think?
House, the ingredients. This is this is one of the tray. There will be more coming up.
Some hot water inside the pot. How to cook it? Boil the water. When the water boiling, okay, I will show you
where the action is. So let's see. This is an overhead view on our chef today, Chef Johanna. Let's see how she's doing. This is close and personal. Let's see how dumpling. Wow, look at that. So is this the spicy version?
No, it's fresh. 里面 okay, what is inside? Wood ears, carrot, melon.
Winter melon. Melon. Do you put some oil?
Yeah, I put a little bit
Sesame oil.
sesame oil. Sesame oil.
That's why it gives that very nice fragrance.
Little bit dry, and difficult, not sticky.
It's difficult to stick together.
Yes. Okay.
Don't mind the coffee. This one, just don't mind this. Or just recycle this. Okay. Okay, so she's putting some water into the edge of the wrapper so that we can lock them and flip them over so that we can seal them close. Okay, here it is. Okay.
Inside the boiling water.
Can you also steam it? Can you also steam it?
Yeah.
Steam it.
Yes.
So we can just simply put it on
Don't put too much.
into the boiling water.
No, don't put too much because we will not going to stick it together.
So
Then you a little bit 轻轻的. Okay, so today's word, dumplings, 饺子.
饺子.
Rib, make a dumpling, 包饺子.
包饺子.
包饺子. This 包 means wrapped. See, let's try again. 包饺子.
包饺子.
Ingredients we call 馅儿.
馅儿.
So now I am going to 包饺子. Okay, Put some water. 包 this is the 包
As you can see, how many times she's doing it so that you have some ways of understanding how to do it.
Okay, you know the dumpling is cooked. They will float up on top. And another way is you take one, then press this.
And see if it bounces.
Yeah, that means cooked. See, this not cooked because see, when you
Still wouldn't go back to its form.
Yeah, so
just go back and see.
熟了吧？
Did you see? It bounces back when you press it. Did you see the difference? Okay, simply taking it in, taking it into a bowl.
Don't put too much because we will. Then when you put on the bowl or
Keep on shaking.
Yeah.
Keep on
don't let
shaking
them
so that it won't
stick together.
Looks like a simple breakfast they can do. It's still smoking hot. So let's do steam today, okay? So steam. Well, I think you're cooking a lot, but it's good. So see, still not cooked. I'll show you. It's still not cooked. The dumpling not stuffed into the pan. I'm guessing this is a fried dumpling. Dumpling.
Okay, put a little bit of water. Put a little bit of water.
Just a little bit, not even one bowl. And steam it a little bit. Then we can show you in the description. It's better to know whether you're interested. Parsley? Chinese parsley.
Put some coriander, but many people they don't like coriander.
I like it because it smells good.
Yeah,
Coriander.
but many people they don't like. If you don't like
Okay, just like this.
vinegar, little
Show
bit.
them what vinegar is at.
Mm,
So we did that.
see?
Just to fry the bottom. This is very good for vegetarian. Yeah. This is the boiled dumpling. Ooh, you can see the dip. This one is the steam one. Ooh, you can see. This looks the same, similar, but
This
tastes
is
different.
dry. Steam is dry.
Pan fry dumpling. I can see that, the coriander.
Mm.
So the dumpling
Xiao.
ingredients,
Yes.
the xiao. And we can make it into soup. Just add some veggies.
Mm.
So there's lettuce and some greens. And here we are. Ding ding ding. A little bit hot. Ah, nice. So,
Okay, let's
What's your plan?
recap.
我喜欢
饺子 dumplings
吃饭。
好，吃饭啦。
包饺子 make dumplings 馅儿 ingredient